open up. You open and bitch, you won't be BM. We should be close friends.
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. So I am about to get my lashes done because, when we having trips like this, I got to be all the way on point. And listen, let me tell y'all about these lashes. Because, I do lashes and whatnot. I don't know how I'm about to make it because I gotta lay there like from 10:30. My appointment is from 10:30 to 1:15. Now, I can almost guarantee I won't actually be there that long because the girl I'm going to is really good. But baby, I say this to my clients. I don't know how y'all lay there that long and get some lashes done. And here I am about to lay there that long to get some lashes done. But yeah. So I'm getting my lashes done now. I went to Target and found me a fanny pack because I don't want to carry my purse, my big purse, out of town. I don't feel like all of that. So I bought me a black fanny pack that's gonna pretty much go with everything, and then I bought a purse for my cousin that goes with my outfit on Sunday for the polo and fashion event. So yeah, y'all. So I bought this mount off of Amazon for $30, right? I paid $30 for this mount. It's supposed to stick to my dashboard and not move, and I'm supposed to just be able to sit y'all up there so we can I can vlog and not have to hold my camera. Baby, listen. It's not working. It's not sticking at all. And it has like the 3M sticky tape stuff on the bottom of it, and that's not sticking. So I went and I see a lot of people on there have been saying if that doesn't work to go get this. So this is the Gorilla Glue double-sided mountain tape squares, and it says for indoor and outdoor. So what I'm going to do, because it says it bonds to everything and it holds up to 7 pounds. So I'm going to try again. I'm going to clean my dashboard off. I'm going to wipe it down. They say wipe it down with like some Dawn soap and water. And then, or some alcohol wipes and put it on there. But yeah, y'all, we going to see. But yeah, I'll come back after my appointment. All right, guys. So I am back. My lashes are done. She started me at like 10:40 and it's 12:47, so it took like 2 hours to do them, which I'm happy that we're done in 2 hours and not later than that. So now I have to run to the west side to pick up a jacket for my friend, and yeah, after that, I'm going to get gas, get me something to eat, and then I have my hair appointment. But y'all, I love my lashes. Like, they're not like overbearing. Like, I see a lot of people get the mega volumes and they just be too much. And like with my eye shape, this is perfect because they're not like they're not touching my eyebrows, if y'all know what I mean. But like, yeah. So these are them. The girl who did my lashes, her name is Andrina, and I will tag her somewhere around here. Y'all know how that go. So I'll tag her. Y'all follow her on Instagram. If you're local to the area, definitely book with her. Very prompt. She actually cares about your lashes, so she's not gonna put just anything on your face, and she's gonna actually go with your eye shape. So yeah, I will come back to y'all a little later because y'all know I still gotta get my hair done. Hello, happy Saturday, guys. So before y'all see me, y'all gonna see a little clip of me on the road. I have made it to Atlanta. I'm here. So now I'm just parked waiting on friend to get off the plane and get her bags so we can hopefully we can like check into the hotel. I know it's early because it's only 9:54, but sometimes they have things and you can like go ahead and you can go ahead and check in, like if people don't show up, or stuff like that. But yeah, she made it. She made it. So her plane just landed. So that means I give her about 10 minutes before she actually is ready for me to come down and get her. Or honestly, because I am parked, I might tell her to just come up here. I mean, because I'm parked here anyway. That way I don't have to try to circle around, because if I have to pay to get out of here, which I'm sure I do, it's gonna take me longer to get to her than if she just walk across, right? Am I tripping? Or am I being smart? I think I'm being smart. But yeah, I'm about to straighten up my car so that she can actually get in here, because baby, when I tell you I threw everything in this car this morning because I knew I had to get on the road at 4:30 at the latest in order for me to actually get here on time to pick her up from the airport. So yes, I did drive and she flew, but she came from Ohio and I came from Florida. So I mean, my drive wasn't bad, especially since I left so early. But yeah, let me straighten up my car and I will talk back with y'all when friend gets in the car. Y'all, look at friend. She's so bright. I said, look at friend. She's so bright. She told me where you're from. Hey, Mom.
Welcome to Hartsfield Jackson Atlantic International.
She made it. I made it. I'm so sleepy. I ain't been asleep. I've been up for 24 hours.
We couldn't sleep. We was too excited.
I told the camera, I said, look at friend. She's so bright. I ain't even have to look for you.
As long as you knew. Girl, this weather. Okay, I gotta go. Party time. Ain't nobody finna cross this big street and get ran over.
No, he directly crossed it.
She told
That's
me
how I got
to
across.
vlog it. Okay. But no, okay, bye. I can't believe I'm from here. Like, soon as I got, like, on the seat, I was like, oh, she's back. So what the fuck am I doing next?
Listen, I don't even think I pressed my gas the whole way here. I had that thing, I was cruising 72 to 75 all the way here. I left Jacksonville at 4:30. I knew I'd get here right when you got here. I already knew that.
Man, that man, Danisha, he backed up, revved the engine up, went around a little curve and took off. He didn't, listen, he didn't even
That's how they did me on my way
I
to
said everybody
Ohio.
was like, oh. He was like, no, he
On
didn't
my
go
way to
down the wrong way, he
Ohio.
went straight up.
Yeah, on my way to Ohio, that happened to me, and I was like, wait a minute.
I said, sir, we need some more
I was
speed
like, I don't
behind
remember
this.
it being like this.
Bruh, I was like, we need speed. Everybody was like, oh. Okay, listen.
I figured you probably had to walk a mile over here.
Yes, I did. Listen, we are fucking back, okay? We missing one, the three amigos, but one of them
fucking wallet out the car so I can get them this $3. Because I parked in the garage.
Why would it be $3?
Because it says 0 to, what's this?
His present. It's the, look. It's the real,
Oh, the record?
yeah.
Aww.
It still got the things in the inside and everything.
Yeah, baby, we're in Atlanta. It costs, even after 0 minutes, it says 0 to something minutes. I think it was 0 to 30.
I gotta look.
Look, because I was like, you gotta wait till he tell you to go. You can't just post. That's which one I brought. I like my little roller.
You know how long it took me to figure out how to do the line, man? Girl.
Okay, y'all, we going to the car now. We'll talk to y'all later. Come on.
Lennox.
We out here at Lennox, y'all.
Made it to Lennox. And we are delirious. She done pinched her finger.
Listen.
She done pinched her finger in his XOXO. And
I'm sleepy.
I smashed the mask in the door.
And I'm hungry. And I don't want to get hit either. Cause,
I'm
okay,
glad
come on,
it's
let's
not
get across the
raining.
street. Thank you. Baby.
That's gotta be pretty, huh?
Yep.
Listen. So, he don't even know what I look like in real life. Listen.
Not in real life. Because we definitely got these masks on.
Oh. I got mine
Oh,
covered.
her little outfit cute, but I'm too thick for that.
But, oh no, man. I'm glad it's not raining, y'all, because it was supposed to be ugly.
Oh
raining.
yeah, it was supposed to be raining like all day today, all day tomorrow.
But I'm ready to bust it up.
I'm gonna censor that part out. Jesus. Cause sis over, she ready. Is she? I'm gonna have to abandon y'all because y'all finna be doing stuff that I don't want to be around.
I'm just lick his face.
Ew. That's nasty.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory and eat something because we both are tripping. And we're working off a little sleep right now. Well, I'm working off for 2 hours.
I ain't had no sleep. I've been up for over 24 hours at this point, and yeah, done pinched my finger. My finger hurt now. My finger hurt. I like her leggings. I like your leggings.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, we gotta figure out how to
that's
get
so
in
cute.
here.
You're welcome. Yeah, that's the southern me.
YouTube. Y'all got us on YouTube. Yeah. Y'all stop playing with us. We at the Lennox Mall. We at Lennox Mall right now. Going in.
Okay, what's the black-owned
So
business?
this
Go
right
ahead
here
and
is
say it.
Respected Roots. All natural products, all natural skincare products, hair care products, and everything. This right here is our body butter. All natural. Got tea tree oil, grapeseed oil, apricot oil. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on the back of your hand. You might want to get that on camera too. How it's gonna give you that natural shine. You go ahead and rub it in. Want me to do it for you? I got you.
Y'all see the natural shine.
You're gonna moisturize your skin. Now this helps with dark marks, stretch marks, eczema, if you have sensitive skin or anything like that, it helps with that as well. Like I said, this is a black-owned business. You got stuff in your hair, skin. If you got a guy at home, father, husband, brother, anything like that, if he has a beard, you got beard care products and shaving products as well. You got a really good shaving cream as well. Safe for the women's bikini rod. So if you got a shave or anything like that, you don't have to find the waxing. Got a really good
My settings working. Wait, it ain't focusing. Hold on, I gotta stop walking. Boom. Hello.
Are we shopping for anything in particular today? Look, I want this one. It smells like coconut.
I love this stuff for my
Yeah.
oily skin. It just I done came into more for y'all. Lord Jesus. I ain't spending all the money though. Woo.
Have a good one. Thank you, Lisa. Have a good one.
Listen. Yeah, I am so tired. And like, I'm filming so that I don't go to sleep in this car. Because I am waiting on a friend to get us checked into the hotel so we can take all of this. My trunk is full. But we got to take all of this stuff up to the room. And we're supposed to be going to another event. And I just want to sleep. I'm afraid if I go in there and sit down, that's it. Because me sitting down right now is it. Like, I'm tired, she tired. Look at her. I'm trying to think if we should just pull the stuff out right here. Because the elevator is in the middle. But what the heck you got? Everything. I had class on Monday. You need to, why you gotta take the class to right now? I at least gotta get my laptop out of here. What else? And my regular suitcase and my jacket for tomorrow. So I just got my suitcase and my backpack. Girl, they had to hold additional $60 on my card. Yeah, I hate that. Cause they did that junk to me and when me and Ian went to Greensboro and I was pissed. I'm like, that's all my money on my card, on that card. I'm glad I got cash. I don't like that they do that. I don't think that's necessary. It's an additional $60. That's for like if anything. Yeah, but I got my little piece. At least yours was just $60. You know how much mine was in Greensboro? I know I got mine too in my wallet. Say I ain't nobody. I still gotta pay a car note. Ugh. But yeah, in Greensboro, do you know how much they held on my card? An additional $100. My room went from $200 to $300 in a matter of seconds, and that just. I'm trying to think though. Should we? God help me. Where you going though? Why we way around here? Shut up. She said all their rooms are sold out. So the hotel is full? The hotel is full? Last night she said they had sold their rooms out. And this hotel only been open for 2 months. So it's literally new. Yeah, I said that. It was new. Yeah, we got that new. You know, I can find it now. Yeah, leave it to her. She gonna find it, y'all. Alright, well, I guess I gotta put y'all down. Y'all shaking anyway, Lord Jesus. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. So, we made it to our room. Let me see if I can get this on so it's not as dark in here. Oh, okay. So, this is room. This ain't even all the stuff out the car, y'all. This is just what we got. Oh, that's bright. A little desk area so I can do class. Microwave and refrigerator. Me. Hold on, let me hold it in. Me. Friend. Oh, there it is. Beds. Now listen, I don't know what they thought, but they was like, we're not gonna ask them for nothing, clearly, because we got extra pillows. Or is that because, did you put, it still said 3 guests, right?
No.
No? Oh. Never mind, they just gave us extra pillows, child. We got extra pillows. We gotta back up. Grand entrance to the bathroom. Y'all, this bathroom, I loved it in the last hotel, but ooh, child, listen. We got extra towels. We're on the 6th floor. Closets inside the bathroom this time, and I don't mind that. Lights. And the best part, this shower right here is the best part. Don't you fall. What's happening? You finna lay down. See? Oh, and this is our view. Hey, y'all.
Anyway, we ain't got no makeup on. I just tinted our eyebrows.
Yeah, no makeup today.
Shout out to
It's
Fenty
raining.
for this glow.
Oh, yes. This Fenty Skin line is everything.
Look at her titties. I told her,
And what?
and it is sprinkling outside, y'all.
Yeah, the weather's nasty. Our event did get canceled, so
Yeah,
you know,
crazy.
finding other stuff to do. We've been in the hotel room all day. It's 4:30 and we're just leaving.
But it's my outfit. Fashion over top. Sway's closet for the pants. I wish I could. I'll probably insert like the outfit. My bae finna get in the car. Looking like all that.
Easy.
He might have got a little lost on the elevator.
Listen, 'cause yeah.
More than likely. But
And y'all, she always want to be my twin. So I got dressed and put my hat on. And sis say, "Where's the other hat at? I want to wear it." Look at her.
Who is she? She is me. I am her. So anyway.
Oh, but yeah.
But we're gonna do a full photo shoot tomorrow.
Oh, most definitely.
In our
because
outfit that we got.
I didn't get that outfit to not wear it.
That was really cute. Come on, I gotta adjust it. Earrings.
Yeah. I mean, I need to wear that outfit and take some nice little pictures in it because it's needed.
So, yeah.
But yeah,
We're gonna go somewhere.
somewhere.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Y'all go ahead.
You done found you a spot.
You just gonna let me walk past?
Okay, y'all. We are back at Lennox. But we are going to Dantana.
Lord have mercy. We gotta go for Snapchat.
Oh, Jesus. Y'all know I'm clumsy and I got to go up some stairs. A lot of them. Ain't no elevator. It was an elevator. the whole
And I
elevator.
left my hand sanitizer.
I got mine. Okay, y'all. Almost to the top. Almost. Okay. Okay. Alright, guys. We are at Crab Queens and Daiquiris. And this is my full outfit. Shoes. Oh, and the purse. Get the purse. And I will tag everybody and everywhere I got all my stuff from, so y'all can shop with them. I do a boomerang.
No, never mind. I'm a grown man. I don't have to.
Shelby, I wish these had pockets on the top.
I know, I thought they did. Really?
My eyes look pretty. I'm gonna have to keep these lashes up because I like how they make my eyes look. So I feel like she don't think I'm coming back. The girl who did my lashes. It was how she was like, well, you know, if you want to get a feel, you know, just let me know. Like she said it like, oh, you getting this for a special event, you're not coming back. You know, even though I know people do that, because people come to me and get their lashes done all the time, and it's because they're going out of town or something.
Oh, I'm like, why is it doing that? Stuck on the butt.
Yeah.
You tapping me like you was gonna take off.
Good afternoon. What's today? Oh. We ain't even ate yet. We ain't ate yet. Happy Monday. We still here. Barely. So we finna hit the streets and get into something before I have class at 5:30. So we got like 4.5 hours to do something. And yeah, this is my outfit. Can you see my shoes? I don't know. That's my outfit. Friend of Barbie today. She Barbie. And yeah, we really don't have nothing planned. We were gonna go to the botanical gardens, but they are not open today. They're not open on Mondays, period. So it's not because of this day. It just don't open on Mondays. And yeah. Alright, y'all. So we have, what all we did? We went, I got my Starbucks because y'all know how I am about my coffee. And this girl, she got her smoothie from Tropical Smoothie.
Period.
Then we went to Sam's because I needed gas. Because y'all know I drove my car up here. And then we just left Dream Body Studios to get our fat burner pills because I got to get the rest of this little weight off of me. And I can't get no surgery because my BMI is too high. Even though, you know, when you look at my weight wise for my height and whatnot, like, I'm technically obese, but I don't look it.
Which means I'm extra fluffy.
Friend said that means she extra fluffy.
I am.
But yeah, so I got these fat burner pills and y'all will be seeing my results on it. I will tag her below so y'all can know who I went to. Don't y'all be trying to steal my ideas though. But I'll let y'all, I guess I'll share that information with you. But yeah, now we about to go get some food because I got to log on to the computer at 5:30 for class. And they going to leave me and hopefully bring me some food back from wherever they go. I asked did I need to get a to-go plate out the Dollar Tree, but she didn't answer me. So we're going to see if I get a plate of this smothered whatever we get. That's part of my problem, clearly. I like food. And I don't want to stop eating. But, yeah. I will show y'all my results for this, these pills, baby, because when I get snatched, y'all gonna know I got snatched. Y'all just gonna know, because I don't like wearing clothes now, so just imagine. But yeah, let me go find me some sushi, because I was hungry. I'm the only one around here hungry still. Good afternoon, guys. Happy Tuesday. We are at the Atlanta Botanical Garden, and their theme right now is Alice in Wonderland, and we are dressed for the occasion. Honey, listen. Oh, baby, listen. These people in Atlanta cannot drive, okay? At all. Because why was he in my lane? Why was he over here? Ooh, the truck that just went by. Where we turn in at?
Oh, it's a little tight.
It is, ain't it? Y'all, we are here. Oh, so look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh,
This is so dope.
I'm so excited. I might be too excited.
Leaf. Lady, where you
Look
going in
at
this
it.
stroller?
She working out. She getting her
better than
fitness
me.
together. Y'all, we are here, okay? All right, y'all. Hello. Hello. We are here. We've made it. I got my fan because y'all know me. I be hot. But yeah. I'm gonna show y'all what all they have going on out here while I'm out here. My leg is itching. And I don't know why my leg is itching. But yeah. And oh wait, that's dark. There we go. I hope y'all saw me. She said they were redoing it.
What guy?
The Chester cat.
Who's the cat? Oh wait, here she goes. Look at the deck of cards bent over.
Got these shoes on. We looked at she's
No,
like,
they
she saw it,
changed
it just gets better.
Look at it. Remember when she used the flamingo?
Oh my gosh.
Remember the flamingo? Yeah, they couldn't change it for the winter. It's all bushes.
Thank you. Excuse us. What's that bird? Y'all heard a bird?
It sounded like that raptor.
Wait. That ain't funny.
So as you can see,
Oh, well that's why it's so warm in here. They gotta assimilate the desert.
Wakanda. Now, you come with me and Rafiki, for we know the way.
Hello, Rafiki, he knew the way.
Follow Rafiki, he knows the way. Correction, I know your father.
Well, I mean, you look like one of the people that want to buy the dinosaurs. You look like one of the people that want to buy the dinosaurs.
So now, then what about this? Let me get the velociraptor from 220. I definitely have one.
Yeah. So I was sitting there and they came out here. So now I'm walking way over here to them. And I'm hot. I'm bothered. I'm ready to go. Because I don't do outdoors for this long. I'm sweating. I got heels on. I done got my pictures. And I'm done.